kia ngavana Meru tuthambie Meru so many times na kathuri akabera well on so many occasions ibigetu agichokia kauga nande kagatiko kajita kamanto jau so please tutigane na rugono ru twambe tu rescue Meru tutigane na rugono ru twambe tuite ngugi twambe tunenkera Meru value ya kuriria batu nenkere 2022 so many occasions agichoka yinda atimana nande kiathonekire on that Saturday kaya ere the pressure was too much kuma speaker number 1 almost to the last speaker mbuga tigo mo kana baire bomba kutho batamu irire romba gitiki kia ngavana so many speakers spoke bakemwira well Senator Kathuri nande igitara yakwire kinyete your time is ripe njo to rescue Meru you have been committed kire cause ya Meru nande well iba mweka era manto jama ingi of course ntomba ko quote the ones verbative nande they wako juki opportunity because the pressure was too much and no otherwise other than ya ere no topic nunto mto mbere akwaria pau banje bra bathinga tere kumo bonde bejere bakemwira nande no ligane kinya dijina ali muchemani no jore so which means these people and their own reasons chakwera Senator Rungama giteke ngavana na bamwe bakamukuotera ora Meru ekari thina ira Meru ikurukirite ugeria ku rescue Meru no chuita resources nyingi kureta Meru wethere Meru ikirisiva 12 billion na rutu na budget ya about 14 billion pamwira njo no ntombe chichi chireja kinjara chite komba kuritithia ngugi then we need to give someone who has a capability an opportunity alitithia ngugi so that is when akirunga maugira nande well ndekuigwa sentiments chen ndekuigwa manto jabo mbere tena aru wake even before na woni nande mimi ni nani nikatai wito so at this point in time au gawe nande getikire 2027 yakethro ari resine na agachinenkana nunto Meru bakona is capable of delivering then akainenkanira kunenkera Meru that opportunity of course at the end of the day bugandra kwiro kaire to TV neje sometimes back that kinya 2022 no one thought that is Kathuri Murungi akarunga metiga senator no one at all actually it came to a point lira Meru yari yo karajeka kwingapu ya karajeke kuonekana kutaije uiba ubakaromba gite kia ngavana gite kia senator apart from very few baraba igwetete before nande yo kinyamari ya bindi at some point atongeria bakaranire nthi gurubora who is right for what and when that came in then Meru bobongwa through their leaderships through atongeria baraba alio that time barera senator Kathuri Murungi Rungama gitiga senator methikari nturi arero Rungama gitiga ngavana kinyethera atakionire so it is true from before we have seen it antobange bera ka senator the direction to take neji antobaraba munenkere the opportunity go serve
so don't you feel very biased kiro ya we ya oversight no ntware na interest cha gitiga ngavana
atethro ari biased nuntu kinyamonka thaiji kinyarire umirite kuga aja tutitite bwaga mbechi iji titumiri bwei bioria bitu batere guchokerua ambiririe gwitwanga kabiko anga sijui what ngono ira tionde ira tukurukirite guti biasness ekethro ere on side nuntu at the end of the day this is a man who knows responsibilities chiawe na roles chiawe at what point you need to be a professional at what point you need then to go out and campaign imtokwera wabo inyantu kwera ketha you can check your clip on nuntu indonere bwa that story on Meru TV you can check it kuteo kinyamwe Senator Kathuri Murungi akweta issues tiegene na kuringa mtungi kana aramuraini one politically ariririe jara Meru bamwira bwambira mbeje ndombe gite for this and that reason then mimi ni nani nikata vile mmeniambia bawiwe wandozi bako ibo bompandikite nyage kinde nakyo if it were not for you voters then I wouldn't be where I am nande nintu kuona kwena ine biasness on his side na ante kuona jeka uketha kwena ine problem if anything nerire kinya the incoming governor Reverend Mutumantu Ethinkia but areo agu amura well governor if God willing utweke governor kam kwa Meru ya tweka rescue Murungu ari mbere then bishwa ngakwa unwavering support nkunenkere support ira senator aburi kunenkera governor wawe ira ndaeja nirereka kurisivo ngu support na njira chionde arakundi okay na in fact I remember akimwira nande nuntu that day Seneta nari na kinya some friends from across Kenya kuri achore bange baumite ome Kenya bejite kwaraniria no nuntu gutethia Meru na kuibunya bamureterete engagements chia ku engage other governments outside Kenya John Tukuro wejite na engagement ya ku engage some partners Canada, some partners in Russia na nteto iria Seneta era Reverend Mutuma tuithingia that if God willing you become the governor, then anto baba bakwija bakienda gupatina na bautu tutethia Meru ngakunengera opportunity na nkugwate njara twitanie kila pahali mbone Ameru betu bagutetheka kira anto baba be willing gupatina na bautu no kaigua gwa kinya nintini amwira bishwa I'll give you the support ira Seneta aburi kunenkanea. Otherwise political competitions will always be there. At the end of the day, come 2027, kura chikaringwa. Na kura chiteringwa anto baichithite nyomba chiao. Kura chiteringwa anto bamaminja. Kura chiteringwa anto bekirana. Kura chiteringwa campaign yeteringi. So amwira nao ngavana. Then 2027 yeja. Nini unto Ameru baba kinya gwa kuigwa nkigwa. Ya kinya if anto baba bakezo bakenda to sustain the same turomba giti. Then I will be on the race. Every mitega tuike I want to put that one verbatim. Ato assume race ya mitega na tuitete o ura tulia ruri awe tuite safari uno tendo ereo. Otherwise these are just competitions. Let the best man win. But before then, if you become governor, amwirire akamwa unwavering support. You know, iwi once tia mtu mutongeria imigambo ya mtu ote selfish. Imigambo nyuntu wayate kuga atere no ndege go support kenda tutikinyarura we John Chinda no yizirende kuona mtu agu succeed nuntu success ya thirikari is success ya everyone.
So after announcement you nkwenda tumaro after announcement you nethritene to maybe arian baba kana nthu baba kisiasa bakiwa it is now evident that Kaduri has been using Kamashinan Foundation kuringa campaign yewe Meru.
Na ndere imbio kathithia wirote kuringa campaign. So kulingana nabo bakwaria. Kaduri abwiri kwithura mami Senate akire ya muchara na akana kwa wenja teu kena tikaringa campaign ya 2027. Ana bara akuthomithia 187 bara nengerete full scholarship. Bakethuri baurire na unu ntutungi obagira. Awo uwo kuga Kaduri campaign ya kuringa na foundation yeweri imbia kuthithia on a or apart. What is that person doing? Na ana bangana ba wa kuthomithia to compare na bara Kaduri akuthomithia inda waingana aretete John Twira chiareti molecules cia cetirizine ira Kaduri aretete through partners bawe kenda Kaduri atiringa campaign ri itandabira Kaduri aretete Meru County bia orthopedic beds ibengana muntu uwo kuga Kaduri campaign ni ari na foundation ya aretete. If it happens that foundation yekaringa campaign, so be it, lakini Mumeru a succeed. The bottom line, the most important thing is Mumeru a succeed. Na hata toka uga Kaduri na kuringa campaign na foundation igatiga impact na society. The other day ndirari ntule ne monte kwenda kuquote mtu momo choro kwa jamburi atiri ababiri foundation yeje Kaduri ningi gutwana ethomithe no thimenti rambirio mutarira. It happened that awu uturari ikurari na muchiari okana kamwe gakuthoma kaka ngaus muchiari wa mwira wel kana gakwa ntirari capable karemerete njaburu ntirigiri tende tinya kwa approach kanisa kwa rema Ikadhuri wejero njukira kana kaugeta sukuru kaka ngaus na ndiri ugateka muchiari ukuguru kura kwe nkoro newe and I can tell you for example kana kaungo quote ntekwanda gwetarietwa resort chiako cha last year term 3 kagwete a clean A that's a doctor in making impact ire gatonya nturene yao ningana you know kuga twiri eto campaign ututumba kuga but to actualize on to butethia mwingi there are very few who can do that.
Kaduri yake announce kuromba itiki kwina pumiti ya tia mizani chikuona ni ya Kawira Mwangaza kuri Karingo today no tsinda itiki on governor akathia to ibita munya akathia to imithika linturi maybe ndenda kuibua opinion yeku iruria mpumitia last week.
Mbere mambuge that's bullshit. Allow me to use those ones and I do not regret.
No, please.
Please, just allow me.
No,
Quantify.
I can't allow you.
Well, let me quantify. Then Kedra, I would not have sustained, I will withdraw.
No, withdraw.
I withdraw.
Yes.
But then,
Yes.
to proceed kuga atiri,
Yeah.
kulingana uni ile gimmicks cia siasa. Somebody and paid for it. Na kiuria kira mpenda mumiru achiuria outcomes every time kuena case ile kotini ile akwie kugitwa either misani kana tunyamu tungi gwa tutijikene na polster tutijikene kakaruma kumira kaite popularity ranking cia Meru County every time case ile akwie kugweto kotini kwina ka polster kakaumira every time case ile akwie kuthomo senate kwina ka polster kakaumira every time outcomes. Number 2, professionally speaking, statistics jitethithe wa chitagetete anto amwake, especially when it comes to posters. Outcomes yeji itagetete gite kimwake gite kia governor peke yake wa Meru County. Ombire misani ne kumana I do not know. Yeah. How comes misani ESSS owned by a certain politician tekwando mugwetarietwa. But yes, it says it is owned by a certain politician from Ukambani. Ankwenda gusikiro down kena Mumiru eta ko verify no. A certain politician from Ukambani owns Misani. This politician, when the issues of Meru came before that person, he went against the Meru people. Meru ibeta baka verify uranda uga. Ntekwenda kweta beyond yau. But Misani yeji eriuge thithite uthuthuria Meru wake peke yake. Itagerete gite kia governor ari in demographics ile kubategerete what were the questionnaires bira bategete kenda bateka the me auto mba kuruma kuja wejo compare between Endwand na Kaimenyi otetwirite imbi uri bange nchi nai me ogatunge nchi tu bairi in terms of journalism kana to media presentation then Endwand has to win. Nuntu Endwand is a media personality. Yeah. Kaimenyi on the other hand, imto few dengi. But itomba kuongejwa na gento frani ke communicate ba utwi misani mbie tumirete kuongenji anto baba. So mbuge mbere mani misani niki yakwa ntegwetikania na misani secondary ntegwetikinya kugento misani tu ikanyamuka guchwira mutane frani mbecha kulingana woni mathogani ne jakwa. And I want to believe better tia Mumiru kuri chiche nyangete kenda misani itampumi ira itete. Then I also want to say that being the case, assuming I'm pe thionkoru reu wakiri thionkoru no twitanere kwa assume kweja na hypothesis. Thank you council. Assuming that then misani is true, at least ija kuga kathuri kure yambiriti atangasite kuromba gete last week nethro na kuoneka kiri list ya bara Meru bakugweta. That's a good starting. Nuntu mbuga misani
Aduri atarinye list ine.
Well, ari imionete kuri oba mwikirite o confirm kairi ba mwikirite bekirite antu bana Kawira Mwangasa Peter Munya mithekari nturi na Kathuri babekirite bo bana. So mbuge atiri to me, according to me, masine mari jau igitiri kinyete rite batere kuthira. Arafu choke wone mtu marete akiri ngaira mpe ura misani yauge inindire iguru antu bawe bo mare bethi rukakira pali ura misani yauge igure iguru na barabara chietu iti ukurukirika kinyambanje tieje onenkero ni mbanje tio consumeritwe mbanje tie consume to completely mbanje ti project mbanje ti weri monka morani jo batare gwita kuthithia utirombo mi implement kinyanusu yeyo utirombo mi implement kinyan report yonde tanjero limbigirwo kwiyo tukachoka kiyo tukeja kirio. That report has so many issues ile kuria Meru. That report yewe ironania Meru County anto aithro ona na upward trajectory Meru County kaitete gisinka nkuruki ali aitinguge pathirikari county government of Meru patirika kuri kuma December January February batona muchara county government county assembly ya Meru irika kuona facilitation ya in term resources ila chipatara kwita county assembly but the last facilitation eri kuma November.
So
Can we really say
if we want to raise that issue we liaison officer, right? Uri liaison officer kuyo ntubura raise ro ni mheshimiwa Mandeithile ayoro au abitumite Meru ithire tiramukira mbeca cikuria mishara na mbi kwi mbeca ciatirwe ni county ya Meru kiri account yo na guthira mbeca itiriti kiri account ucho ne kana zero CRF account guthira itiriti cionthe igwenda kuonania butemea kunenkerwa mbeca ingi. So kuringana na Mandeithile ariwa mbeca uciatirwo account ine purposely kendo punish county assembly of Meru itikone mbeca worship kawira Mwangaza. Now tell me, is it
which is true? Governor na team yawe ba thithirie skill free patikisha mbeca citigere account ine cikiona na citumiritwe. I do not remember the figures, ntikwenda guquote wrong figures. Baratiga mbeca cikiona na citumiritwe cithira. So which then means baitana arora ki control of budget kwa approve mbeca ingi citonya in the same account sheria citigwitikiria kwa approve mbeca bwina mbeca cititumiri unless then bwambe buchokie mbeca. Again I want to remind you kiri mwaka muthiru 2023-2024 county Meru ne tagarite na mbeca nyingi citatumiri na citakomititwe igutagara na mbeca iu batachikire kiri budget iu ingi ejite the executive yikirie budget it capture mbeca ira batigerie but bring forward kire the next year. So of course na wali kana kire mwaka muthiru then kiukio kiari kiuria kia mbere kiria control of budget na undi general boritie that mbeca ira bau batigerie butachichokerie kiri national government ringi kenda bomba kuchi receive kire afresh actually guchokie tija kuga buchokie mbeca kire mbeca iguchokio tari bwachio kenda mathabu yenu jomba gutonya na mwaka juju jongi buge committee project injeru na project ile ankuru bwithuru bukapchite kinyambe chire bwatigere kire budget yewe ngira buta absorbete. So those has been the challenges na endo mata to be sincere na twere mu Meru the only problem ire gutuma Meru manto ja mingi jara kagwitania ka executive ina anto baba inge bate kwero nyimbi bothithia ku including the end of the executive kinyoka aberia roju imbi no bale munya gukwira roju intukwei. I am sorry, what I mean, take mean literally rojo. I want to mean rojo in terms of what they are doing as the executive. Ukaboli rojo Meru kethro ina, they are clueless, landless. I don't know which other word to use.
By the way, Governor Narari na uko enu sentiment. Nari mantu ya mwingi mno.
Kuringa ngita.
Of course ngita no mwankeri ingwe. Nari mantu ya mwingi mno uratethetie sentiment urakutethi Meru County na MCO ntere ira kinya MCO kuna ari nao wapo central na ari nao na baka thanga bana mno nontu bwa mantu ra bwithirite sentiment. So tell me kuya kwa governor kiri sentiment ni impact yana ata ya tiro nao Sunday
kuringana woni no impact ya masine mari teraja turaga but mbuge at least this time round nunto bwa budget yeje project based budget kuna to barabara to kai to ambirite kutita thithwa but jabo go chuest I have a question with it nunto to jira Trump nete to ringithitwe the only two irambo nete tia ringithwa county government ya Meru itu barabara figure ran kuigwa ne tumiriku. You know we are talking about a budget of that 3 million mwaka jojo that 3 million yeu imbeterete kuona ina itete nunto to jira Trump nete to ringithitwe abo go chuest tutego ujuria kilomita 2 so tukaya kutho tutego ujuria kilomita 2 I am still in limbo ntiromba kwerewa mbechi ucio ndiria cia committee tori kati tutumirio beterete mwicho mwaka jukinya June kena ri mpomba kuria mbechi ria cia committee tori kati eteria ucio na barabara ikiekiri inge na ntero na barabara uchikithithwa. I'm just waiting for the end of the year no twetera kinya for now. Let me reserve my question but that notwithstanding about the Guchuest na sentiment where I stand and from where I know itikira kinya kimwe kia isindi gya kithirikari iji na kuma mwaka jwa mbere jwa ire na kinya jojo ikwali na mbeca cia committee to kiri education. Where did that money go? About the Guchina sentiment as it is kutika chibitari kinya kamwe kongerwa new building ithirikari even a single one kuma chibitari Githongo ira wire before nete na iba ndingirendere kuma chibitari kinye gatimbi utio kinyemwe yongero a new building utio kinyemwe mbuga tiga betho bagurite to equipment to what gutibio bongera tangible bila tumba kuja toja tuga atiri this is a project that can stand the test of time ithithie tu thirikari ici na ikuthirite na mbeca tigukomitwo kiri department ya health ina mbeca uchietaga from where is it imwaka juju ndakwiririo barabara ciambiria kuononekana tu turingithitwe na tu I can tell you know to about this project based budget why it not for it then Mumiru ethero nyari ali ni morimbo Governor uganetete akenja mbwao including era enjiara gatembe including era enjero kya gusa moya na ara gwetawa I think makandune mbwao uchiondhe kuma mwaka yo mbere jo ere jojo gutikinye mwe kunywa monka na arwa kinyera ya enjika uthene do we really have value for money
na si wa watarare ranked number 1
na imbie ko murangi number o Paul Staira tukuga o misani idole kinye MCO kuga wa wetu arankito number 1 ni the same bwana masine mari ivatige ya nini sinema na antu baku gute resorts on the ground hakuna mwananchi no kumenya thina iria gukurukira
but this is the third time dona Jack Muthamia harankire number 1
niwe umba gwita kanyamu bwaga musiraigire akaja kuthwa kanyamu ati umba kurankwo u uri rankwo wi number 1 uthithitie atia mwananchi mbwa wirio mwenjerete ate kunyoro uji gutino turo igwinya ba gwa kanya mini dam iritanguge ira bageretie gwa kere ya baisigiria dam kayune kalere yekiri nyanto asara monkana arua nuntu imbije rise na tutagete mimbi no ekira uge comment session hakabe kira mbicha chiora baisigiria dam yethithiri wewe nka kimundene jo abasarere mwikira monkana arua that guy kaiga gwa umite na bangi baba ingi na ndishwa riri kurankwa maratachine you know iji kuri mtu ratumirite migambo arora how I wish I wouldn't use it but kuri migambo ratumirite na ndaigwa je kai truthful iji thirikari ya wasanii the best thing that they are able to do ikuringa ngita na irarire utebingi je ujangire ima cinema utebinge bururu na nemira igirwe ntukwenge chief of staff akiuga kamurandi jaka ngiri magana jairi governor ageta kugateka na metho atega atia achinje kai ka milioni 10 nunda guteka na metho you know some things and I don't know where we are ending as a country as a county as a nation nteko menyina Kenya yerekerete some things that I'm seeing today they are not the things that I used to see before nara tumete bwanyuma uni kwe mirandi ntona ngavana yete kura unchibururu isawa nunto pa popularity net and distribute check intena thina nabu but usually ujete kura unchi kirazi gete haki na gete akwa utukio kinyake mwara aka indi unjete kura unchi indi onere ntuko ngi mwenda ithire on this TV akiuga nara kwa waiba committee ira chibinga no na bya ECD na mbe chichi kuona ni chi arero che ira chibiu ini monka na ro bitako inya bitayo musingi where did that money go na ndituge Paul Stanley barankete by the best when that money cannot be seen so Auditor General is on record akiuga ga Meru County
akuthomera report ya Auditor General at least twari mantu
factual mantu
report ya Auditor General enkwenda ku highlight some few things yona na tia kana reonania 2.5 million it's ya tumiro ku install internet cables kiri and quarter na revenue board offices kochoka gwatuika na rere kuria contractors a total of 284 million chiatuma pending bills chitia mwaka 27% kuma kire previous financial year na kochoka kwatumirwa 36 million kire project ile ira mwaka thai itambiririe Meru. So get that 2 major projects to a total of 36 million na itambiriria. So before kwa elaitre wingi katuchuri kiurike. Yes, ikuari na marando ya contractors ya batu kudira ya kiriwa na marando ya tare irwe ya itia. And then kuinstall cables chi internet and quarter na revenue offices na ikuari na budget ingi ya bwithitu na ika installed
before mwaka jongi.
What is happening in Meru? Kakatu ina a lot of ghost project iko Meru.
There are so many ghost projects chikuendelea Meru. Actually hiji ni iria audita general mbete kwa irate. There are many more. John Toije nande internet. Obichi cha Meru county jitwiri internet chombe. Oto obichi te twiri internet. Kedra baugete no maintenance ringi make sense. But kirebo they have done fresh installation. Na mwaka jura jongi o thirikari iji tutikwaririnya wingi kurukite the same government nere na a similar provision kire mwaka juu jongi ya kuinstall internet in the same offices. Na ndio kaligwa le kama mwaka juu jongi pata install ere kenda beja kuinstall this time round na mbechi yu ichiri
a report ironania unexplained variance of 20.8 million credit transfer ya business ya thirikari to other government agencies ikona ni 1.5 billion ile under funding chia budget ikona ni 72.2 million grants for slum upgrading stuck in the account due to delay by executive to execute the projects. Ya choka ikaua
ambe jira Kenya Power yo bete.
Ya choka ikaua wait a bit. Ya choka ikaua contradicting debts irando ritikweleweka. There are a total of 20.5 million versus that 5.77. So irando ritikweleweka kithira ira 20.5 million kana ira that 5.7 million. Nukuona? And then kuna leasing ya equipment ile equation wa mwaka thai 124 million.7 and some other things ila tumba kudra toke late. So it's just one of the issues ila siedrite kia raised ni report ye. So how would you say, because ukari kana kwiro business account ya rate itena stima na manto ya raise na
roji no rwathirikari.
So na ta county me akuthirete kumenya irandurire kurandurano kethira thiringi 10 kana thiringi 20
iwamba irandure kethurira chiringi imwe but urenda kwandikira chiringi 5 kenda ntukura rigatwa kurewa chiringi nya cheta mukone jwa mtu fulani iwamba. That's clear theft. I don't know what happens in Kenya nuntu wamba bukethwa bwingiriaring in open but gote action yokone kya taken by the relevant offices. Na aro EACC batere kutho eri Meru ejete kuthingatia thina iji chionde iji control on budget yoneni county assembly through the park committee ibatere kutho baiji igita CC lakini ndaigirwe bwana Makasi akiuga bakambiria kubeta nuntu biure bibi bionde ibatere gucokerwa ina mbechi iji chietete outcomes murandi jo kurewa na gutengu geriti. You know, we said this last year, antu bona jaru go tukwaria. Barabara ira ya thithegwa na arurea na kuita kwa ngavana nja. Barabara ira ya ri way before yambiria kuthithwa. Toto becha cia chionde chirei mbere barabara yambiria kuthithwa, which is wrong. Kire Procurement Act.
Urariria barabara ira bane kirilami?
Ira ya ri imbere. Ikira wani improve it to bitumen nere in before barabara yambiria kuthithwa. Na ino kaligwa ri no action has ever been taken. Ninge EACC na DCI be cosmetics chidwa chichiai nundu Meru there has been issues kuma day one ya thirikari iji kuma ya thirikari iji ya kurukire akyo no masinema everywhere uti report ya control of budget kana audit general inyemwe ya umete na biuria ja report ya audit general guti mwaka kinyanyo mwe jo mwaka utukinyite guti kuota kinyemwe yejete kuria biuri na mbechi chichita wali kana last year twara area unsupported mbecha chiara kwa na njara chia aditibangugi na chigeranwa iu kachi kuonania openness ya wamba bora kuendelea kukurukira payroll. Nothing has ever happened. No one has ever been held accountable. Liri tukaendelea ujanze gurumu onkari mbecha cha mwingi gutwike chigatura kuendelea kuiwa chigatura kuendelea kura and nothing big is happening. The only people bakaria county assembly is the senate na bau bangi para batere go take action then they relax on their duty.
So another major issue ya county assembly ni ekulukirie 328 million insurance cover ya staff ba county. As we speak, these people cannot access medical care because barita bakero kini insurance company le nkerwe nirarongekire so ite utumika as we speak ite utumika barero aba kwenda kuthamu with to another insurance company so to at the middle of the year ni hata maybe company yomba kwithira ikiwa ite kunenkanira utungata and then kutuika maybe bakwenda transfer their services to another company iserve wantu if maybe in a layman's language they the one ya institution ikanenkerwa kana company ikanenkerwa nguwe iritira thirikari ikaremwa tikebati kwithira nende ikiya ikarea county no ntuba kuremwa ni utungata county nabo bakayana ngwira fresh.
That is true. Procedure go terminate contract.
Yes.
Ibatere kuthwa imbere ma ku compensate antu bara nuntu basarera babekira so company re batere kuthwa compensate county government yemeru kena county government yomba ku hire company ngejeru ireka jo kia itibagugi. But I want to say this bautu kethori kana I am on record on this TV again nkiugaga kuma rira tendeje nenkanirwe itwa questionaga process ira tendeu insurance yothie nenkaniriro na turauga ni ukora iwamba bugwita na mbere nuntu kinya procedure cha procurement titathingatitwe lipo effect ya nteto yu nothing happened at the end of the day narua kalitibango gibate kumba kuona services alitibango gibaibara batire imbecha alitibango gibaba ibara bate kumba kuona services chianda chia ogima bwa mwiri where how are we expecting them to operate so, narua we have a serious crisis as a county nuntu alitibango gibeto bate motivated temuchara bakare one time the services chiao bakona. I want to say this unless investigations chithithwo boga meru bamenye then ukeja kuona termination ya contract in this manner it means kuri mtu wa relaxite kirenguge yawe before kana kutho kuri mtu wa benefit agitendeje na njira ingi kana kwithirwe kuri mtu ina intentions cha ku benefit gitendera ijete dubiously. The only people who can tell us how that one is happening either DCI can EACC. So mbuge atiri inya CC baba bako bagwitanguge rungurwa governor Kawira Mwangasa. They need to know a time is coming orira muntu onde agakamata mutharaba jwawe when things will not be taken baringaniro amwe borwa biurio ubikorwa bieginto kimona arua so many questions to ruria twi on the surface we are not in depth nuntu itubatere kwenda kumenya ri who are the people responsible kiri kunenganira tendeje from the word go who are the people responsible kiri kuandu tendeje than the processes CEC health chief officer of health na of course finance and the chief officer of finance ibabwiri kwethwa bagiteki full responsibility ya kwethwa litibango giba thirikari account ya Meru batikuona services chia ugima bwa mwili.
Is it a time na that no tuone seneta maybe akiaka address on to account assembly no to na mandate?
It will happen. Of course right now I can tell you we are in the middle of consuming that report come analyze. You know, you do not just go and give a statement. No, monko the analysis, not take into fact finding. Ugwate moko je beyond this report. Ugwate other information from other relevant departments na bodies. Ugwate kinya what is really happening, facts on the ground. Chibitali chichongwali imbie kukalika. When that thing has been done, sooner or later, ukaigwa report ya Seneta. No, of course, I can also guarantee you this. From this report, expect governor eto gweta guchoke biuria inambecha chemiro chiri. No monka geto. That one it goes without saying. Where baraba kena kugi siasa na ambi bauge, but a responsibility was given. Whether
kinya kesi ya tarehe 14 yakawa neno agetwa.
Now kesi kauga ane then other arms of government chibatere kujukia responsibility no tonalite senate yegwiri ko mweta arrange senate etina that clear provision ya gweta mtora umire gitene igeto ore okethro ari gitene but yore wanire no tonabatere kujukia personal responsibility na nde DCI na EACC they should go for that person kende intobia mwinge bitiga kwenyangwa na njirite bwirite awe hope ndariki 14 murungu igwa kiao koti save Meru nonto Meru tetete bwaga ni kubaya my friend inge makes it wanto bakona na ipindi na TV na kienine baringirwa ngita mutane akiruma tane bangi bwenendere kurumana baringirwa ngita tuna marumi. And I don't know what is the problem with us. Ukona antu bagichangiria tu marumi mtu uyu kurumana mokoro wa kamatete billion 14 cha MERU na butu muri antore neje urungini atanjire ithuki butu muri antore neje urungini atatutina ruji butu muri antore neje urungini atatutina class KCD ne atatutina chibitali china ndawa ne atota andika ritibango ginone nkeri budget county assembly na arua monka MERU itete nande itete to the dogs that we have so many hospitals, so many dispensaries today na health centers chigo operate na personnel omwaki na kuri chinye tina mtu completely go and verify kweli where are we ending as a county na mtu ya bulingira ngita na kirarire bukendelea kuina lakini we ndronera at least MERU bakuona nundu nyume ya arawiro bakwambiria kurania au have benefited mbuga gwa kwitha kwina irundi byo kunika antu bairi areo mbuga arikia gwita antu barugukirwa but a time has come kinya bautu tutigyo celebrate mediocrity as a people. We need to stop celebrating mediocrity. We need to stop celebrating shenanigans. Tuambirie gwitia tangible results. Kendra challenge enturenu i class kia isindi ngavana nowe ina mbecha cha kwaka class mwetie nikyo nturenu ina chibitali tena ndawa ina chibitali tena alitibangu kibakungana nturenu ina chibitali igwitaji gwakirwa theater itena theater igwitaji gwakirwa outpatient orenjega igwitaji gwakirwa laboratory enjega mwetie nibyo nowe ina billion 14 cha MERU ntato hichi cha mandibuti makobe na mirengeti na matresi. These are things bomba kukarande kuroja antora boka didi nyama kaza bwa kurira baraba tena byo boendete akini nabo nyantu ibamenanire iketo muntu mwaka take advantage aburete amwe antu bara butekeza na yanturene aburete amwe bwinda bwa makobe bumuringire mpe bwinde nuntu gwano utenda gutethia muturi okwathira theneu bwambiria gwitia tangible development rene ntura. Where are we really ended?
All right, now let's talk of Gwatandwe ya MERU. Itwonere Kiraito Murungi, Peter Munya, Batrimana Nairobi after Muchemuni yo Karen. After some days, Yungi yo Abuidodiri Center, Kaduri atakinyire. But now, lately, itwonere Ikaro, Kia Kaduri Murungi, na former governor, Peter Munya. What is cooking?
Mbuge Senator Kaduri Murungi is the elected senator of MERU County. He is also the deputy speaker of Mbuge Senate. So which means then imutongeri nyo munene monoke national government. Deputy speaker the Senate is not somebody that you can just adderate. Imutoko the status ke national government. Peter Munya is the former governor of MERU County. He is a respected leader. The MERU County, however much is former. He has been CS for agriculture in the previous government. Kukaranira ande kwao na boba iri bare ya MERU is of great importance. Unte kwenda go preemptive bareri rino ntubataumira batuira. Maybe there is supposed to be other series of meetings nabo I don't know.
The opponent wa bari wa karonde ratio mana na mantu yes.
Opponent. Yes. Na ndere opponent yo muntu imbienge omba kugatha apart from kulinga propaganda yuba kulinga. Let them continue. Otherwise bakwiri kuendelea. Indronere nyamo mutane ore ongita ore unokwerwa indronere akiringa rwimbo rwa wakiu akera iria nteto yu na masinema jawe o nteto yu. Wacha waendelee. Utebinge babwiri ko thabe yo ntote binge biri akirine yao barenge kira iro oni ndenge ona gwefane ni unto ndenge chiuri nikyo tubakira indi bakiringa masinema jau. That is what they are supposed to be doing. Kule omuchungu akinya I don't know whether it's muchungu kani Martin Luther waugaga small minds discuss personalities. Let them discuss personalities because they are small minds. Utebinge bomba ko thabe kyaragia responsible leaders discuss ideas.
So ideas
those were discussions of ideas. Na batatina kumira na game makes betu iranga uathithia ngathithia. And I can tell you that meeting yeje ngeto kuona ya tongeria those kind of meetings will deliver Meru to the right direction.
Word on the streets.
Ntena ogwa bururu in my mind. These meetings ti atongeria soba. Atongeria bakomenyi na Meru ibatere kudoere rujo na okay. They will get Meru to the right direction. Eto ja Meru, let us support the right people, the right leaders. We give them that will. Ya nyabo ngwa kuona bagiteithia Meru. Bateka igwe yeka Meru tutenabo inyabo ngwa bona yeka batu twendete shinani gasaki. In discussion area Senator Kadhuri Muronge na Peter Munya bali nio. I can guarantee you, I'm not privy to the discussion, but I can guarantee you the fact that baumarire na beta na nteto chiao ira bali kanirie. I can guarantee you imanto jabwiri gutethia Mumiru. I don't know when, I don't know how, but jatethia Mumiru. So no kuona wana manto jaringiro masinema jathira jalo masinema ini mona nteto chia kalirwo ande guru chia ruo boga ne atane bakari inde guru anto soba bakari inde guru. Just wait for them.
So one on the street iriwa komba kuthia kwina cabinet reshuffle na Munya omba kuthia ari umwe wa beneficiary ba reshuffle agethira akijoin thirikari. Uwe wenda kuona Munya ari chokete thirikari ari waziri?
I wouldn't have a problem with that. Ikeja kwithirwa bubu gatethia thirikari ku deliver, I would gladly support it. No, at the end of the day, let us not try to one another. Munya ali Minister of Agriculture. They did a lot. In fact, I can Meru kinya kuona Munya bakarinde kuruna Kadhuri. If then it happens that atonye thirikari ine kiri union celebrate. Nunto when Munya was cabinet secretary wa Agriculture, Kadhuri ali MP wa South Imenti. They teamed up. Munya ali minister, Ojongi ali MP na beja na reforms cha majani. And it is Kadhuri Muronge who pushed them in the National Assembly. Na chieta dhuru, na chiatethia mwananchi today. Last year ndronete anto bakiringa mpe ba receive huge amounts in terms of bonuses cha majani. Na kinyambe chira bara yako cha majani cha mweri. Tore baninti nto igawa kagetwa karung na arua mweri baliona about 25 shillings, which is a good money. Mwicho mwaka kuri factory mo chirarite nyana 50 something na imwe nyanja yakinya almost 60 reforms iri chatetherie. So ekeya kuthura anto baba bo bairi para baretere these reforms are able to sit down and think of how to help this county, this country moving forward. Kiri uni, that's a celebration on this score to our people. So nigo atuika Munya no atonyo thirikari ne, I wouldn't have a problem with it, but intend to preempt discussion eje tugane kureta Munya thirikari ne unless they come out batwire. That is what it is. Twathi injustice nene muno twambirite ku preempt nteto chiao nuntu antu bakauga nteto inyingi
tuta preempt kiuri ogari atire wenda kuona Munya. Yes,
ibara tukugera yasi, ibara tukugera bayasi. Ndena kuga atire menye goro ndireigiru nyabange bakiaria bakaenda kwethia discussion ire yali skewed to 2027 anga sijui who becomes what. Even if inyagwa atuika ku discussion je wiereo, it is not for us to think, it is not for us to say. Discussion you, the only people bomba gutuira imbi bariri na outcomes chiabio, they are the two people who sat down. Ugote kuona Ruto na Raila bakarite be mita on several occasions. Santo bakuga ngabare ari ambi, yangabare didia, yangabare geta. Finally, the only people who came out to tell the truth that ibaran discussing na bete kaneria na bare didia o kenda batethia ndeguru. They are the same people. Most of what people thought about, they never became fruitful. Nunto chiari just speculations na propaganda cha siasa. But it is normal siasa kudwa na propaganda. It is normal kudwa siasa jena speculations. But the truth be told, the only people who can tell us the outcome of the discussion, Senator Kadhuri Muronge na Peter Munya. Nteto uchi tu meni na the two of them, iwi ngechi on the niase iporojo.
Now, Ruto, president wa Kenya, atwirire Raila Odinga wete thirikari ya Uhuru Kenyatta. Iro thirikari u yethire kibanguka completely, mathabu yarabari nayo yote Kenya yarabanguka na u atitikiria maybe mubango nte yu ya thirikari newe. But tukuona Raila narejire thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza na ite the first term. Ruto komba kuthirerera akenya urongo kuya kwa baba thirikari na yuri kwa thukirie ni tukone nyawe na aramuretere thirikari ni and ku bibimba ko the possible outcome ya ngwata ni we.
Well, in the end, personally go shy off from that discussion, but just a speculation. Tenda ko put it is speculation. You know, I also agree that kuja kwa Raila Odinga thirikari ya Uhuru Kenyatta failed Uhuru Kenyatta and failed that government, and I have no regrets of saying that. Neki, between 2013 and 2017, Uhuru aitete ngugi nyingi muno. Teka Meru for instance. Anenkeri material ndiete thirekirite ya thirekira na yetumirika. Anenkeri bypass ya mbiriti yake bypass yeje kuthuruka Meru ya endelea na thirekira yeta to flotation na Meru bambire gutethekanio between 2013 na 2017. Ira turetere equipments ira ciareti cia cibitari ira cia dialysis na those big machines including cibitari Meru level 6 hospital referral hospital ciraretwo ku na cibitari ira ingi cionthe ira ciareti cinge referral cirareterwo equipment ira na ciratethia Kenya in a big way. In between the same period of time again warikana irio athirikairia project iria kibaki atigirite Jonto Isiolo airport ndariria birabiri akwina uni nte kwenda twetainya na arure angi lakini atweta kuraja between again 2013 na 2017 irio baretere SGR kinyethera kwina questions cia the amount of money they spent ku but be chantu ito datuna biuria bia they spent a lot of money but then yakiro between 2013 na 2017. Again between 2013 and 2017 irio bari na ideas cia gwaka the expressway Nairobi expressway kinyethera yathirikirire finally ketamu iu wingi. Again between the same period of time irio Ram port ya Ram irio yambiririe gwakwa inyakethera nyayongo yejere kuthirikira kiritamu iu wingi ijiri. What am I trying to say? Meru akiaja turi tamu ya ijiri iu handshake ekuthithwa. How did we benefit as a people? They are demo Meru. Because at the end of the day, east, west, north, south, home is always the best. Demo Meru. Thirikari handshake gutewe entethia. Nuntu barabara ya chonde cia ruguriro thirikari eu during handshake. Kote kinya mwe thirikira. So kiri woni I agree. Rira Uhuru na Raila batonyanire. Then kuringana nani thirikari ne sambaratikire. Kuringana woni. That is my thought. Nande how the same direction of handling things helps this government, I don't know.
Msitu ni ule.
Staki kuspeculate. Mimi staki kuspeculate.
Yes.
But I just want to ask Kenyans, let's give them time. The reason as to why to amenyere thirikari Uhuru Kenyatta ekureta Raila ndene nefirire, we give them time barakinya mwaka 2022 turona ume gufail na gutibia paratu nderivira. Nuntu kaba gwatanira tha igiri no kwithirwe, I don't know. No kwithirwe. Ba gwatanira bakareta the right people bathithie the right jobs. Na in return tuone ngugi. Ni oni ndenda kuge we speculation. I'm waiting. I am yet to see. Let's just give them some little benefit of time. After some little time, tuona direction ire anthi guru ikujukia. Then we shall be able to tell. Ni for now ri nte kwenda kuingo support kana nte support nuntu ikethwa thirikari ya Uhuru ne firire nte kuona bila bigatuma support tha iji nte etere tombona resource.
Kuwa we spectator kwa kwenda
ni for now ni when it comes to this I'm a spectator. Na buru I would ask Kenyans allow me to just be a spectator. Mbugimbe tere teni there could be good results. If there will be good results are always supported. But if the results are from the previous history, if they are similar to what has been seen before,
wow.
I guess it's as
now,
good
our
as
time
mine.
is up. Now, kiripating shot yeku Kaimenyi. Take yeku kiri muchemo na yo tongere bonde bombero. Tariki 16. Nire kutokire kiri mupango yu. Maybe na bunge wenda kuthira ukenda kuwa.
Buge muchemo jwa tariki 16 muchemo jwa Ameru. Actually tujwa tongeria. Ijo Ameru ponte. Every Meru who wants to see Meru moving forward and becoming better. Tubiri gwatendi muchemo jwa tariki 16. Side shows ingechi kwenda kuthithwa na arora itimu ire tenda Meru progress para bagwithite Meru kapisa. We should not allow them to divert our attention ya Meru wonde in tariki 16. The important thing is after tariki 14 then leaders ibabwiri kukarande kuru paka come up na agenda ya muchemanio kenda mumiru ro kethoretete muchemanio juria amenya turita muchemanio ne na we are going to discuss 1 2 3 4 but muchemanio jo tariki 16 iju muchemanio jo Meru muchemanio jo kurikania sa county. How are we moving forward? We have already lost 2.5 years, close to 3 years. Now, how do we not lose the remaining time? How do we move as a community? How do we help Meru achieve dream we had in our forefathers? How do we help Meru catch up with other counties? Nuntu tukuona county ile ingi, nukuona bagiaka infrastructure chiao, ndi Embu, naro withira mando yaja kuthithwa Embu. Parapara, Governor Cicely Barire, injira agwikira inya rami, na amagwikira kaburo, ni rachi base india gwaka to standard, chibitale tete agi improver. Actually, you can tell she knows where the county needs to be for the next decade. Aja Meru ima cinema. So tariki 16 we need to debate. Meru is ours. Meru is our business. We need to take it as such. Tariki 16 tuinde mairita tu tuitaturikania Meru turenda gwita direction iriko. But I'm just saying before then itoguitaji tuteke you know mantu ya siasa je mantu mono tutekeje kutho twina muntu umwe kweja kukinyanga mucheme yangi yemone oragia muthuri yemo akitekeje kweja ereta nteto ingi batu tutugite mea utekwana kuriba kumera bakauga tariki 16 kwa mwagweta wa munyoro bange bakauga ari tutina story ya wa munyoro na tutekezo twina those antagonism after 14th, you know, 14th is our greatest day, a big day with the destiny. After 14th, leaders need to sit down, come up with the agenda of the meeting, to push a common agenda. Not to Meru is our business. Political competitions in the future, and the people compete. Ule okenda gitiki gwitwa inyani nkenda giti 2027. Ngaya gintenda yankenda giti. Issues you chikeja 2027 yekinya. But for now, Meru is important. It's greater than us. Let us take it as important as it is.
Wow. Thank you very much. Bwana Kaimenyi no ntubo kuona kanya kwa kire mubango yoku. Okay, thank you very much kire barabonde. Na baba kari kire mubango ni bura akithia ati babu tutethira twina mubango. Tweta na mbere kumeithia mantu ria weta na mbere kire mitandao yetu kire ntito chetu cha thamwaja 7:30 na 9:30. Ithira wina ntukwembea bito wa mucambia dwand. Thank you bwana Kaime.
Thank you.